Welcome. In front of me is a MAXCOM SM457, and today I will show you how to enter the Fastboot mode. So start off by powering off the device with the power key, and then select shut down and confirm it. Now, once the device shuts off, we'll hold power key and volume up both together, so start holding them now. And we're now in the boot mode. So from here we're going to use only volume up to navigate, as you can see, and volume down will be to confirm. And with that in mind, select Fastboot mode, which is the second option in the middle, and press volume down to go into it. And as you can see, now you have a Fastboot mode below that appeared right here, meaning the device is indeed in the Fastboot. And if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold the power key till the phone shuts off. So it's about like 7 to 10 seconds. And you can let go and to automatically turn back on. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and yeah, so that's basically how you access the Fastboot mode on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.